What is Lumen really up to in Severance? I think I'm onto something, hear me out. If you haven't seen my first video about the cloning theory, go check that out and then come back because this is part 2. So we're on to macro data refinement and how Mark S is playing a role in the Cold Harbor project, aka Gemma and Miss Casey. And this is the theory. There's issues with the cloning process because of the acceleration that they aren't performing the way that they're supposed to. Which is why Miss Casey was shown her elevator door. And they're starting over again with Miss Wong. And this is the reason why the 4 tempers of Kier are what will unlock the consciousness of having a suitable functional clone. And that is where the macro data refinement is coming into play because they literally have Mark S building the consciousness of his once former wife. Now, how this technology works and why the numbers are shaking, I have no idea. But the only way that they're going to be able to move forward with the project is if they can find a way to have a suitable clone. But that's just the first step in Lumen's evil plans. Because I think that this is just a trial run, and once they figure out the equation with one person, it's the same across the board. And as soon as they're able to achieve that, that's when we're really going to start to see this whole Manchurian candidate scenario. But follow along for part 3 because that's going to take a whole other explanation.